So that's it. Easter is come and gone. My son just went home with my husband. My husband's going over to the house to fix various and sundry things. He said he wanted to fix their garage door, and he wanted to fix something else. I can't remember what. Anyway, he was going over to help work on my daughter's house. Son is going home. Hey Floyd, birds out there? So I'm working on my week for next week. I had to change something because, of course, there will be a short week. So in my term plan, I had just put headings of various books that I was using, and that week's worth of book is a week's worth of book, and would naturally run over into the next week, and normally I would just let it run over. However, the following week is my observation week, and I do have a little bit of something planned for that, and that would interfere. So I had to alter, I had to change, so it's taking a little more time than I thought it would. So things went really well last night. Dinner was great. Sweet and sour turkey with vegetables and mashed potatoes. It was delicious. My Portuguese bread went over very well with coffee. Everyone loved it. The large one got consumed last night, and the small one is half gone today. So that went well. Using your iPhone to take pictures at night, not videos but photographs, not that good. It's not that steady. It needs good light. And just because of the way it's, because you're holding a large flat thing, it's not a camera. My camera has shock prevention or something like that. When there's any vibrations, it helps to lessen them. And the iPhone does not have that. So, because I let my battery run down, I wasn't using my camera last night. I was using my iPhone to take pictures. Unfortunate. But whatever. You live and you learn, eh? Hopefully, eh? Hopefully. So that's it. I'm plodding along with my morning. And I've got probably, the whole week is done. Because it's only Tuesday, gets me to Wednesday. Wednesday I've got a story ready. The story takes up the whole morning. Then the rest of the week will be taken up by the grammar that I started on Tuesday. So that's cool. That's cool. Friday there will be a dictation and finishing up the grammar point. And we'll talk about something. So that's that. And I went running this morning, and I'm really tired from it. I went running yesterday, and it was, what did the arrow say? Downward arrow, yeah. So it wasn't a bad run. It was not my worst. Today it said it was my worst run. Didn't feel like my worst friend. Anyway, I've got my headphones working. I traded them. I traded my house, like the ones I use with my computer all the time. They were actually sports headphones. So I am using those to run with, and I'm using the iPhone headphones on my computer. That solved the problem of the iPhone headphones or earphones dropping out of my ears all the time. Not a good thing. So that's how that got solved. And the Leafs won last night, raw. And my son's team, the Red Wings, lost today. Dismally. Dismally. Oh my goodness, he was not happy. And when he's not happy, he lets you know. He gets very angry with his team. And I think that was it. Food is good. Gifts went over well. Company was wonderful. Sister-in-law, Dom. Yep. So how many of us were there? 8. Not 10, 8. And that was a good crowd. That was a good crowd. We all like each other's company, so that was fine. And I've got most of the Easter decorations down already because there's nobody to see it except for us. And I'm tired of my rotating Easter stuff on the computer. Desktops and stuff. Yeah. That's enough bunnies and chocolate rabbits, chocolate eggs and white eggs and brown eggs, and rotating more bunnies, rotating more eggs, more of that. Tired of it. I will go change that right now. I haven't actually changed it. I will change it. And yeah, that's it, I think. And I saw that I had a gazillion of your videos. My subscribers have produced videos, and I don't have time to watch them right now. But I have tomorrow off too. It's Sunday. It's okay because I have Monday off. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for Easter Monday. I will go running again. Or maybe I will not go running. I will go for a walk, a speedy walk, with my music in that I got for running. It's actually really good walking music, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, talk to you later, folks. Have a good one. Happy Easter.